What is good, people? I'm just here to briefly, and I mean very briefly, talk about the new Parfums de Marley extracts. 3 new releases from the house, one of my favorite houses, the house of Parfums de Marley. My scent of the day is actually one of these fragrances. It's called Carios. It's primarily a spicy rose fragrance. I believe the notes say geranium, but it smells like a spicy rose fragrance, similar to like Portrait of a Lady, which I wasn't a big fan of. Oddly enough, similar to, because of the saffron, Oud for Greatness without any of the greatness. So that'll be a skip for me. But the other two, I mean, I do have them. Not a whole lot of content on these fragrances. And the content that you do see, the influencers had to shell out their own money for them to the tune of $1,500. And you'll see the price of the fragrances is a big part of their opinion on these fragrances. Isn't that funny? The amount of glazing these influencers will do for the House of Parfums de Marley when the bottles are free. But when it comes to paying out of their own pocket, paying with their own money, oh, they sing a different tune, don't they? Yeah, they had to pay out of their own pocket and a little less glaze this time for these releases. And for the rest of the, we'll just call them content creators, crickets. Where are your Parfums de Marleys? I mean, half the content I seen is the little samples. I even saw a guy whip out 3 bottles with like 95% of the juice completely missing out of it. This is hilarious. And the people that did have the full bottles, you could see how they're so not used to paying for the bottles. They're like, oh, at least I got free shipping for all this money I spent. Parfums de Marley has always offered complimentary next day shipping, which should tell you that this is the very first time, it is 2025, it is the first time that they've ever had to pay retail and pay for their own Parfums de Marley bottles. It is hilarious to me. The amount of upset that these guys are, the entitlement, the entitlement that they feel that they should get these bottles for free from Parfums de Marley, like they always have. It's just a comedy show to me. The stunning revelations that, $600 might be a little too much for these fragrances. Of course they are. I'm not sure a bottle of cologne exists that's worth $600. I didn't cough up $600 a bottle wondering if it was going to be worth it. It comes with the territory. I'm a fan of Parfums de Marley. I know I'm what they call an early adopter. I know I'm overpaying. I'm probably overpaying when it hits discounters. It's a luxury item. Unless there's some fragrances infused with like nandrolone that's going to put 40 pounds onto my bench press, no fragrance is worth $600. Let's just get that out of the way. The price of these is just guiding their reviews and their opinions so much on these fragrances. It's hilarious. I'm just letting you guys know. I have them. I'm not a fake it till you make it pretending to be a billionaire. I am certainly not going to tell you, unless you are rich, you don't need to go rush out and buy these. You don't need to go rush out and pay for overpriced samples of these either. And what you really don't have to do is cry about how much you paid for them. Because for once in your entitled fucking YouTube life, did you not get a free handout from a fucking brand? And that's all I gotta say about that. My future videos on these fragrances will have very, very little to do with the price. Thank you guys for watching.